How to recover hacked Instagram account. Today I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to recover your hacked Instagram account. You can do that by first opening up, and then the first thing you have to do is enter your account username. So let me just quickly enter my username here. Then if you don't remember your password, or if your password has been changed, click on forgot password. Then you're going to have to find your account first. So simply enter your username and then click on continue. So what it does is you may receive a WhatsApp or an SMS notification from Instagram for login purpose, but if you have your password saved, you might be directly logged in. If you're unable to do this, go to your web browser and then on a new tab, simply search for Instagram support, hit enter, click on the first link that you see. Now on the Instagram Help Center, you can Instagram account on the suggestions. You can click there directly or go to that page from the Help Center. So simply tap on the three dots or the three lines at the top right. And then from here, you can select Manage My Account. Tap on Signing Up and Get Started. And then here you can find what problem you have, or you could just search for hacked Instagram account. Search for the keyword hacked, and if you think your Instagram account is hacked, tap on this first page. So click on the drop down and you can visit this page to report your hacked account. Simply enter your username to identify your account. So let me just go ahead and enter my username or email. Tap on next. They will send you a verification code on your email if you are the owner of the account, and then you should be able to log in from there. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.